Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. We were studying Taenia. Today we will take up reproductive system of Taenia. Taenia is hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means a single organism can produce both male and female gamete, but the animal shows protandry. That is, testes mature earlier than ova, or you can say sperms mature earlier than ova. So mature proglottids, the gametes, they are fully formed, but the first 150 mature proglottids have only functional male sex organs. That is, they can produce only sperms. So male reproductive system, it comprises, so this is the diagram of mature proglottids showing male and female reproductive system. Male reproductive system, it comprises large number of testes. So these rounded bodies, these are all testes, red colored bodies. So they are present in parenchyma. The function of testis is to produce the sperms. From each testis arises a very fine duct which is known as vas efferens. So all the vas efferentia, they open into a median duct. This median duct which starts from the middle and extends outward. Middle to shuru hunda te bahar nu ja reha va. This median duct is known as the vas deferens. Vas deferens, as I have told you, starts in the middle and runs outward. Then it opens into the cirrus. Cirrus is the copulatory organ. It is producible copulatory organ. Producible means ਇਹ ਬਾਹਰ भी eject out हो सकता वा. It helps in copulation. So vas deferentia opens into cirrus, and cirrus in turn opens into a cup-shaped chamber which is known as the genital atrium. This cup-shaped chamber is common for male and female reproductive system. And this genital atrium, it lies in the middle of each proglottid on its lateral margin. We have already studied. So this is the male reproductive system. I have written male reproductive organs on one side and female reproductive organs on the other side. Try to make the diagram in the same way. Now comes female reproductive system. Female reproductive system comprises an ovary which is divided into two lobes. And these two lobes, they are interconnected by means of isthmus. This bridge-like structure is the isthmus. From the middle of the isthmus, there arises oviduct. Oviduct runs downward. It joins into a common chamber which is known as the ootype. Then there is vagina. Vagina is a tube that starts from the genital atrium, runs downward and inward and downward, and then before opening into ootype, it is dilated. This dilated part of the vagina is known as seminal receptacle. So vagina ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ genital atrium ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, ਅੰਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ, ਔਰ ootype ਚ ਖੁੱਲਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹ dilate ਹੋਈ ਆ, ਫੈਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ. ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ? seminal receptacle. This seminal receptacle serves to store the sperms which are received from the other proglottid. So seminal receptacle ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ sperm store ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. Then it also opens into the ootype. Ootype also receives a vitelline gland which lies in the lowermost part of the proglottid. This vitelline gland produces yolk cells. ਇਹ yolk cells ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ. From the middle of the vitelline gland there arises a vitelline duct. So vitelline duct opens into the ootype. So you can say ootype is the common chamber in which there opens oviduct, vagina and the vitelline duct. So this common chamber, from this common chamber, there arises a tubular sac-like structure which is known as uterus. Uterus runs upward into the proglottid. Then this ootype is surrounded by means of glands which are known as Mahel's gland. Mahel's gland, vitelline gland ਆ yolk cells produce ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ embryo ਦੀ growth ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ role play ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਜਿਹੜਾ Mahel's gland ਆ, it produces a fluid which helps in passage of fertilized eggs into the uterus, that we will study later on. So this is the diagram of mature proglottid showing complete set of male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs, and this is a very important diagram. So now how fertilization takes place? In this animal, we say there is a single taenia solium in the intestine of man. So gametes of the single animal, they will fuse. So basically, truly speaking, there is self-fertilization in Taenia solium. But at the same time, this animal shows protandry. Sperms mature earlier than ova. So ਪਹਿਲੀਆਂ 150 ਮੈਚੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਲੋਟਿਡਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਸਪਰਮਸ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨਲ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਨੇ, ਓਵਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਮੈਚੋਰ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਨੈਚੁਰਲੀ ਗੈਮੀਟਸ ਦੀ ਐਕਸਚੇਂਜ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਲੋਟਿਡਸ। So as there is exchange of gametes between different proglottids of the same animal, some workers they consider it as cross fertilization, but truly speaking there is self fertilization. So as a result of bending of proglottid, cirrus is passed into the genital atrium of the other proglottid, and through which sperms they are passed through vagina and they are temporarily stored in the seminal receptacle. So sperms they pass into vagina, they are stored in the seminal receptacle, and from seminal receptacle they enter into the ootype. Likewise, ovary produces ova which travel through oviduct and pass into the ootype. I have diagrammatically shown it over here. So zygote is formed within the ootype. So zygote is formed over here. A zygote है जेड़ा ये yolk cells receive करदा vitelline gland तो. So what happens? Zygote it gets surrounded by these yolk cells. Yolk cells produce a secretion. They provide nourishment to the zygote. Plus they secrete a secretion which helps to form the shell. So now zygote along with the yolk cells, it is covered by means of a shell. This complete structure is known as the capsule. So as capsules they are formed, I have told you Taenia has enormous power of reproduction. So large number of capsules they are formed. So after fertilization these capsules they pass into the uterus. So the uterus it develops large number of lateral processes to store these capsules. So there are about 7 to 13 pairs of lateral processes that arise from the wall of the uterus to store these large number of capsules. So when this proglottid is loaded with these capsules, the remaining reproductive system disintegrate, and now this proglottid is known as the ripe or gravid proglottid. So ही middle ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ mature ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ripe proglottids. So ripe proglottid break from the strobila in chains of 4 and 5. They pass out along with the feces of man. So these ripe proglottids they squeeze and capsules they are released in the open. So we will continue its development in the next video.